Hello, hello.
As we just discussed, hybrid AI is the ultimate path to AI democratization. The power of AI should belong to you. Smart AI is all. It's AI built for all. To make it happen, besides fully leveraging evolving frontier models, we also need a lot of breakthroughs in user-centric technology. To demystify
Yo, they
what makes
they they
hybrid
got
AI
some
possible,
badass.
please welcome Lenovo's Chief Technology Officer, Dr. Tolga Kotoglu.
Imagine if every idea you had was met by an intelligent agent that truly understood your intent. Professional.
Yo, they are fucking up their stream. They are definitely fucking up their stream. What the fuck is going on here? Yo, I am getting irritated with them. What the heck is going on? Like the stream works fine for a second and then it kind of F up afterwards. What is going on? I don't get it. I don't get it. This is like for a second it kind of fixed the stream and then for another one they just kind of broke it. Like what the? Come on, Lenovo, fix your stream. Fix your stream. Because if not, I'm just gonna walk away from this, and yeah, people's gonna probably walk away. This is a very bad stream. Come on, Lenovo. Come on. Yeah, people are dropping. People are dropping. Let me see. Let me show you. Let me close this here. You see here, right there, that was 100 and something. It was 100 and something. It dropped down to 93. It went up to 96. So people are dropping. No, don't do that. This, oh, it went up to 103. People are going to be dropping from this thing. Lenovo, this sucks. What the fuck are you doing? Like, really, what the F are you doing? Like, look, this is...
Take me, for example. As Lenovo's
okay.
CTO,
Okay,
I
now
know the
this is
technologies
working.
we're discussing tonight inside out. Producing an event like this is not my expertise. From
Okay, this one
visual
got
effects
1,000 views.
to lighting design, script writing to stage management, I have gaps in knowledge that AI models could help fill.
I've got you, Tolga. If you're looking to cut technical jargon and punch up your speech, I'd keep things local. Routing your query to a
I'm probably gonna
lightweight
rewatch
model
this
on
tomorrow
device.
completely right.
If you wanted to create visuals
the
to match that
pre-recorded.
speech, we'd need a complex image generation model hosted in the data center
So fucking
via
bright in
private
here.
or public cloud.
Again, I'm gonna put my glasses
Either way,
like we
I can
did
review
today.
your needs and route seamlessly to the right model for the job.
This is what we call intelligent model orchestration, the foundation of any AI super agent. It enables AI agent to access a pool of specialized models, identify the best one for your need of the moment, and optimize performance, maximizing security, minimizing latency, and reducing compute cost. With it, we can calibrate preferences for any user, securely referencing your data and harnessing more efficient, more valuable AI for any use. With this universe of model at its disposal, the next thing a super agent needs is a brain, what we call an agent core. Agent core is a sophisticated cognitive engine that enables AI agent to understand you, break complex requests into manageable steps, and remember its interactions with you.
Man,
pulling from a personalized knowledge base to get things done the way you want them done.
hopefully that
Put
gets
simply, it's what makes just any AI agent uniquely your AI super agent.
AI everything here.
Thank you. If I prompt any old chatbot with something ambiguous, like, help me make this keynote unforgettable, it's going to say very pleasantly, absolutely, what keynote? But with Agent Core, we can give our super agent co-host not only the information it needs to give a more personalized response, but the ability to sift through that information, understand my intent, and take action.
Tolga, with Agent Core, I can review everything from transcripts from the last 6-month Tech World working calls to the messages you exchanged with your team this morning. I know you want to keep things focused and immersive, and your next topic will help bring that home. I suggest we keep things moving and get to our next core technology.
Great advice.
They probably
Agent Core
figured out they were
enables
having an
agents to
issue
take
with our network.
personalized, context-aware action
And kind of
on your
funny,
behalf.
fix it.
But complex tasks may still call for more cognitive power. This brings us to our final foundational super agent technology, multi-agent collaboration. Like humans, AI agents sometimes need a team to get the job done. It would take a little more than a summarization to make any evening unforgettable. But if I give our super agent an instruction, say, execute an immersive cinematic experience, it would need a little help.
I might interface with an audio engineering agent, integrating with a sound system to keep you on your toes.
What the fuck?
Talking to you from over here. Over here. Nope. Now I'm over here. Or coordinate haptics, lighting, and sound agents.
That's nice.
Sync with the script and grab your attention for an important announcement.
Okay.
As we continue to advance multi-agent collaboration capabilities, super agents will become increasingly skilled at reviewing our goals, designing workflows, and activating teams of task-specific agents to execute them. Soon, with a super agent leading the way, teams of domain agents can help support events like this one, maximizing our experience, keeping the speakers focused and moving, and increasing productivity for the human team behind the scenes. This is multi-agent collaboration in action. Later in the show, you'll see how this works today in your workplace, across complex global supply chains, and through your own personal device ecosystem. Because ultimately, these three capabilities, intelligent model orchestration, agent core, and multi-agent collaboration, are the technology backbone that will unlock an agent-native future. One where the complexity of our collective knowledge doesn't have to be condensed or simplified for us to
Today has been a
use it.
very long stream for me.
And humans are free to do what humans do best: create, explore, and connect. Next up, YY is on his way back to show us what hybrid AI can unlock in your day-to-day. Thanks, everyone.
All right.
As Tolga just showed you, technology is here to integrate the data and the knowledge seamlessly.
They still have an
across
ad lag
multiple
issue.
devices, different operating platforms, and various applications among ecosystems. Many of you own multiple devices, a
Yes.
phone, a PC, a tablet, and maybe a smartwatch, smart glasses. Your photos, files, contacts, ideas, and even your entire life experiences are scattered among these devices.
Okay. Scatter.
Imagine they are all united through one super agent, one
Okay.
personal AI, which learns your patterns and retains short and long-term memory about you.
Okay.
And you can interact with it however you want to,
AI,
through
AI.
voice, text, and
All
key.
day since yesterday.
It will then orchestrate across all your devices to deliver a truly
devices, okay.
personalized AI experience. This one personal AI begins with perception. sensing devices, including wearables such as smart glasses and smart rings,
Okay.
and ambient technologies such as conference room cameras. Your personal AI will see what you see, hear what you hear, all with your permission. After perception comes collaboration across portable, interactive computing devices like PCs, tablets, phones. Your personal AI helps you plan, create, and communicate. It grows as it learns. This is supported by your own private AI compute, an emerging category of personal computing hub that we are pioneering with Project Qubit. Project Qubit provides high-performance, scalable AI compute for personal use, gradually evolving into your trusted companion. Over time, your personal AI becomes your cognitive partner to think
I
as you
am
would
laughing
act
because, man,
as
this
you
is
would
going to be
act.
the talk tomorrow. This,
So how does it work in action? Time for the big reveal. Today, we launched Lenovo Qira, our first personal AI super agent. In China, we call it Tianxi.
Kira. Kira. Okay, Lenovo Kira AI. Are we gonna have it to on the Legion Go? Come on,
So
stop that.
it redefines.
Stop that. Bad boy.
So it redefines what it means to have technology built around you. Lenovo Qira works on your phone, PC, tablet, or wearable, wherever you need AI to be.
Okay.
It works across platforms, from Windows to Android.
Android. What about
To show this,
Apples?
please welcome my colleague, Angelina Gomez.
So Windows and Androids. No Apples devices?
Hi, everybody. Wow, stage is unreal.
No
And
shit, but your
what a
lag is
crowd.
ridiculous.
It's so wild to be up here and so glad to share this moment with you and with Lenovo Qira.
They cannot
who's
handle
quietly
all this
powering
bandwidth.
these concept glasses and keeping me grounded and in the know up here. Hey, Kira, are you seeing what I'm seeing right now?
We're at Sphere in Las Vegas. You are standing in front of a 160,000 square foot screen with an audience of thousands.
Lenovo
Nope,
Qira
that's not
can
real.
use glasses to see what I see and understand my surroundings.
No.
Hey, Kira, go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Lenovo Qira, your personal AI system that lives across your Lenovo and Motorola devices. I'm excited to show Tech World what I can do for you.
Same. Let's do this. Okay, it's been a crazy day, and I've been running around backstage, and I haven't had a chance to look at my phone in hours.
Okay.
Hey, Kira, catch me up on what I missed today.
Here's what matters. Your sister sent a photo of the kids saying good luck. Mary Kelly emailed about the FIFA briefing tomorrow. The holiday family video you made on your PC is ready.
Perfect. As you can see, Lenovo Qira knows what really matters. From my work to my personal life across all my devices.
Okay.
Ugh, that reminds me, I still need to get my nieces a souvenir. Hey, Kira, what to get the kids when I have free time?
The fashion show, Las Vegas Mall, has Labubus that kids go crazy for. You have free
Labubus.
time tomorrow at 11 a.m.
Can get some labubus.
Would you like to add a reminder to your calendar?
Yep.
Yes. Please add reminder to calendar. That's right. Lenovo Qira doesn't just suggest things. It actually helps me block the time so I can focus on what really matters. All right, next up, the FIFA briefing. And I definitely need some help. Hey, Kira, find the doc I started drafting. What do you think of this ending?
In recent discussions with the leadership team on FIFA partnership development, I suggest updating the last paragraph with the latest stats.
This is perfect. Okay, format it up and email it back to Kelly. Great. Now that that's sent, this is what really sets Lenovo Kira apart. It doesn't just answer things, it understands my work, my devices, and the moment I'm in. It brings it all together to give me exactly what I need. Okay, well, now that that's done, I have one more thing to show you all.
Okay, what is it?
This isn't just a necklace. It's actually an AI wearable proof of concept. It's been capturing the important moments from today, of course, with my permission, which means Lenovo Kira already took today's notes, so I don't have to. Now, let's test it out. Hey, Kira, what did YY say about you earlier today?
YY said, Lenovo Kira redefines what it means to have technology built around you. It's everywhere you need it to be.
I love that. Okay, let's
Come on, stop.
Hey, Kira, I'd like to draft a LinkedIn post about your debut today.
Here's a draft. Today, Tech World, we debuted Lenovo Kira, your new personal AI, live at Sphere. Your Lenovo and Motorola devices stay connected so your day feels coordinated and everything flows. As Tolga said, humans should be free to create, explore, and connect. And speaking of creation, I saved the photo you took outside the Exosphere for your LinkedIn post.
Did you guys see that? I didn't even have to ask. Lenovo Kira pulled everything together behind the scenes. The content from my glasses, the moments my wearable captured, even the perfect photo from my phone. I can't wait to share this on LinkedIn the moment I stop stage. And you guys better go like it.
Sure.
With Lenovo Kira, everything just works together. Your phone, your PC, even your wearables. It's one connected intelligence that keeps up with me effortlessly.
Network. And the crazy
We're so excited to
this
bring
is not
Lenovo
us.
and Motorola Kira
This
to
is
you
them.
all in the upcoming months. But
A whole
now,
bunch of us
back
having
to
the
you,
same
YY.
issue.
I just saw Lenovo Kira is truly a perceptive AI. It's keenly aware of its surroundings. It interacts with you however you want to. What do you like or dislike? Lenovo Kira remembers. What you might need next, it
my
anticipates. Whatever it does for you, it protects your privacy.
Sure, it does.
Lenovo Kira is a cognitive human-machine interface,
Okay.
helping you get things done the way you prefer.
So you're
Lenovo Kira
selling
is
us a
available
ChatGPT
when you
for
need
our
it.
phones?
Coordinating
How many
multiple
AIs
AI
are we gonna
agents
need
to bring together
for the phone?
knowledge
Like you got
and information
ChatGPT, you
for
got Siri,
insights.
you got Alexa,
Over time, it grows more like you,
and now we got
evaluate,
Kira.
becoming
Also, we have
your
Meta.
personal AI twin.
Your personal AI
To
twin.
bring this vision to life, we work closely with our partners. Joining me next is Lenovo's long-term strategic partner, Intel, and a true pioneer of our industry. Please welcome CEO of Intel, Lip-Bu Tan.
Intel.
Welcome to Lenovo Tech World. Clearly, this AI era brings new opportunities
Everybody's
for both
working
Lenovo
together.
and Intel. I believe everyone here wants to know if we have a big plan together.
Yes, YY, we have never short of big plans, and especially at such an exciting and dynamic time in this industry.
Yes.
As you said, AI transforming the entire hardware and software landscape.
Oh man, ow. That was a
And
big
it is
sneeze.
adapting to enhance our everyday experience. For more than 3 decades, Intel and Lenovo have worked side by side to push technology forward, not just for speed or performance, but for possibility. Together, we deliver PCs, workstations, infrastructure, and empower billions of people around the world.
Yes, 3 decades, 1 billion customers.
That's right. As we look forward ahead, I'm confident our partnership will grow stronger across the PC, the data center, and the cloud to enable the AI innovation to accessible, responsible, and inclusive. We have shared passion of co-engineering world-class technology that meets the needs of our customers.
Absolutely.
A true power of Intel and Lenovo partnership is to turn innovation into impact.
Definitely, Li-Bu. Our two companies have always been co-engineering the future together, from silicon to boards, from system design to supply chain, bring smarter innovation into every generation of PCs, servers, data centers.
Okay.
And our AI PC Aura Edition is just another perfect example.
Yes, when we began working together on Aura Edition, we have shared vision to create an incredible intelligent PC experience for customers, blending Lenovo design leadership with Intel AI performance at every level. That collaboration continues as we expand Lenovo Aura Edition portfolio, powered by Intel's very latest Ultra processors,
Okay.
with even more form factors and capabilities.
Absolutely.
It is a great milestone in multi-year journey, one that is redefine what is possible when two global innovators come
Innovators.
together to shape the future of PC.
No doubt, Aura Edition has been a huge success so far. And Li-Bu, since this is CES, help join me for a product launch.
Let's
Lenovo.
do it.
Lenovo.
Now, we are launching the next generation of Lenovo AI PC Aura Edition with a full portfolio.
Okay. What is it? Like left to right. With so much technology and so much fucking lag. That look like an Apple. Who has an Intel thing over there. That look like a MacBook right now. Everybody keep copying MacBook's design.
Lenovo's Aura Edition PCs.
I mean,
imagined with
it's a little
Intel,
round in the corner, so it's not
help you
old MacBook.
easily transfer video files between your phone and the PC with a simple tap. Quickly switch between working and gaming modes and get live service support on any PC questions. Our super agent, Lenovo Kira, will soon be embedded in each of our Aura Edition AI PCs, bringing smarter AI closer to everyone.
And our partnership is also delivering transformative experience in gaming PC.
Yes, Li-Bu, I also want to highlight this FIFA branded gaming PC, Legion Pro 7i.
Okay. That look like an Alienware. That definitely look like an Alienware.
It is a FIFA World Cup.
You just say
26th
Legion on the
edition.
back. It look like an
In the
Alienware.
future, Lenovo Kira will be right there with gamers, learning how you play and helping you play smarter.
Just play smarter.
In addition to Aura Edition and the Legion,
We don't need to know
Lenovo
how to
has a
play
full
smarter. We
range
know how to
of
play.
Smarter devices, which will start to leverage Kira. So let me invite the president of Lenovo's Intelligent Device Group to show. Please welcome Luca Rossi.
Okay.
So Luca, it's all yours.
Sure.
Sure.
As you just heard, Intel, we are not just building devices together. We are shaping the future
of AI. Shaping the future of AI. All right. Okay. And now you're lagging again. Come on. Lenovo, you effed up tonight. Tonight was a big event, and you're effing this shit up.
of AI. Now, you know Lenovo for our peace leadership. At the center, we are empowering
It is
your
what it is.
AI
It is what it
superpower
is.
across the industry broadest portfolio lineup, anytime and anywhere. Whether you are a creator, or a global enterprise, we are going to make your life easier. At the core of it lies our vision of one
It is what it is
personal
with them
AI,
right now.
multiple devices. Anything you touch, PCs, tablets, smartphone, glasses, watches, and many kind of wearables will be working
that
as one.
The audio lag
seamlessly.
is not
This is
matching. It's not matching lips. It's because Lenovo, you're effing up. Your network is shit today. Why everybody's stream was good?
Technology that
It's
knows
Lenovo.
you. Think about having a pet AI twin. And yes, that's exactly where we are heading.
AI
All devices will become AI devices very soon. Within 3 years, AI PC will be 80% of the market. And the number of AI smartphones is projected to reach almost 1 billion. Looking ahead, we also anticipate that Lenovo and Motorola Kira will run on more than 1 billion devices.
Motorola Kira.
No one is better positioned than Lenovo to help you embrace the change ahead. On the PC front, our leadership just got stronger with the latest generation of our new Aura Edition portfolio that we are announcing.
Okay. And here's the lag. Oh my God, this is killing me. It's killing me. You think it's killing you guys? It's killing me too. Man. I'm gonna give Lenovo a down vote on this thing. This is a down voting. I'm down voting this stream. I'm so fucking irritated with them. It's messing up everyone's stream. No one can really watch this. No one can really review it until tomorrow, probably, when the thing is, because it's gonna be pre-recorded. It's gonna be nice, smooth, and you can watch it again that way. Because this thing is live right now, and probably you can watch it afterwards. After if this thing is over, then we can watch it again, and probably see what the heck.
Today, from the iconic ThinkPad. Now let's talk about our
trying to catch up.
ever AI phones. If you are thinking of switching from another brand, now is the time to do it. Motorola has been on an incredible run, especially in the premium space.
Yo, Motorola left
Motorola
long.
Razr family, the #1 in North America.
What?
We are taking
30
that
years ago?
leadership even further. I'm excited to introduce Motorola Razr Fold.
Who
This
cares?
Razr Fold gives you a bright 8.1-inch display. The large screen boosts your creativity. For example, the new Moto Pen Ultra and the Sketch-to-Image feature turns every rough sketches into stunning, true-to-life images.
Look at that sketch. Come on. Even my hair can sketch better than that, especially when I'm sleeping. Oh my god, the fucking lag is so beyond killing. Oh my god, come on. Lenovo, you suck. Who is giving Lenovo a thumbs up on the stream?
Majors with AI. Razr Fold will also be enhanced by Motorola. This is the most refined phone we have ever created. The first of its kind with 450 megapixel cameras that captures every moment and every memory captures every moment and every memory in stunning clarity.
8K recording.
Crafted for those who demand the best in technology, design, service, this ultra-thin phone delivers an array of exclusive experiences. And thanks to Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, you get lightning-fast performance.
Okay.
And soon, the very best on-device AI with Motorola Kira. Also coming up,
I thought Motorola was already
we will launch
retired from making
a
cell
special
phones.
edition with Swarovski crystals, inspired by the constellations, bringing mobile luxury to new heights. But luxury is not just about sparkle. It's about self-expression, and we are passionate about bringing together iconic design and innovation.
Collections, crystal.
And our partnership with Pantone, the
Pantone.
global authority on color, is another example of that vision. Sustainable wood, luxurious
Vegan leather,
Alcantara,
crystal.
vegan leathers, and Swarovski crystals. We are bringing color and finishes that stand out in a world of black and gray.
Black.
From phones that express who you are, to PCs that adapt how you work, create, play, and live, we are reimagining how you connect with the world. At the center is Lenovo Kira, a new kind of intelligence that orchestrates multiple agents across all your devices. Lenovo's Kira evolution is not a solo endeavor. It's made possible with partners like Microsoft. And for more on that, I'm proud to invite on stage Microsoft Consumer Chief Marketing Officer, Yusuf Mehdi.
Okay.
Great to see you.
Great to see you, my friend Luca. This is incredible, and congrats on these great announcements.
So, Yusuf, we just introduced Lenovo Kira. People will wonder, how does it work with Microsoft Copilot? How are we bringing together to create better experiences across all devices?
Here we go. What I said. The delay or the lag.
Well, first off, congratulations on the announce. We're thrilled to bring the full power of Microsoft.
I'm waiting for that skip again. There we go. And then maybe another one after that. Yo, who is giving them? What 312 people gave them their likes?
Technology to Lenovo Kira. With Azure.
Look, 313 now. Who's giving these people likes? Because this stream is dog shit. Is doo-doo. Okay, Hideo Kojima is based on... Let's see a thing from Hideo Kojima here. Okay, so it looked like this stream is fucking dead. Let's see. Do we have any chat here from them? Because it's fucking gay. I usually will subscribe to them, but man, no. Yeah, look. I don't know if you're not seeing like that number. That 1002 was a lot higher a second ago. Was a lot higher, and you just start going down. Shit, look at that. You saw that was 1002. It went down to 300. I went up to 400.
Azure and Windows Advanced AI models. It's natural and ready whenever you are.
Yeah.
Microsoft walked in and he glitched out the system.
Bridging a seamless experience between phone
Yo, we need
and
to
PC.
we need to
you
have
tell us more about that?
Well, this is one of the things I'm most
Timo
excited
S
about.
to come
because
in.
people today live, obviously, we all live across devices, many devices, and it to be a seamless experience. So, and to have that be a seamless experience, so simple things like being able to have text messages between your PC and your phone will now work. Motorola users will get access to the Copilot app right on the home screen, or if you click in the search question, simply right within Copilot. And with our new Miko appearance, that's even available so you can talk to that on your device. It's expressive, it's customizable and warm. Maybe not for everybody, but it's really fun. And it even calls on old friends to help from time to time. Hey, Clippy.
Wow.
Hey, clip it.
Lenovo and Motorola are uniquely positioned with both phone and PC capability.
Yeah, there we go. There we go. Here it goes. Still at 1,200 people. So it was 1,000 and something. It was earlier around 1,200. Then it dropped. Now it's like about to be 2,000. 1,800 right now. The server cannot handle that many people. And Lenovo is investing all this money. They should invest a really better ass fucking network. What the fuck? Are you effing kidding me? Are you kidding me? Look, now I went from 1,800 to 1,600. It's gonna keep dropping. It's gonna drop again. And guess this is what we need to do. Leave Lenovo alone. And if I don't see a SteamOS version of the Legion Go today or this week,
We're so excited, Luca, to pioneer with Lenovo to pioneer this important scenario and to bring incredible experiences for everybody.
To Motorola Kira,
I'm trying to catch up.
it is your personal assistant on the go. I've set it up to listen to my remarks today.
Okay.
Hey, Kira, how am I doing so far?
You suck. Your stream sucks. No one's barely watching your stream. They're all suffering through your stream.
Back, Luca. Now it's time to wrap things up.
Okay, will do. So every breakthrough we have shared today began with one simple focus, and that's you.
Me?
Your needs and that your trust drive every innovation we create at Lenovo.
No.
We have amazing partners joining us in this journey, including Qualcomm. Together, we are taking wearable technology and more from concept to reality. So please join me in welcoming back YY together with my good friend, the CEO and president of Qualcomm, Cristiano Amon. Thank you.
Cristiano Amon.
Thank you.
I didn't even saw Microsoft leave. That's how much it glitched out the fuck out. Tomorrow I'm gonna rewatch this fucking shit again. This is so fucking annoying.
Good to be here, YY. Cristiano, welcome to
I'm
Lenovo
definitely gonna
Tech
be
World.
clipping this whole event
We
from
just
this
saw
glitch
Luca
ass shit.
showcase Motorola's new wearable proof of concept, Maxwell. So we are working with Qualcomm on many more this kind of AI native devices. I believe
Waiting
this
for it
is
to
an
glitch out.
emerging category with huge potential in billions of units. The opportunity to transform wearables and even fashion industry is probably now. Every kind of wearables will have its smart edition. So Cristiano, our audience are eager to know how Qualcomm technology is driving your leadership in AI, and how Snapdragon powers the next generation device category. So let me leave the stage to you.
Very good. Happy to speak about it. Thank you so much, YY. Thank you for the opportunity to be here. You heard the man, billions of devices. Look, this is an exciting time for technology, but I want to start this conversation by saying it's incredible when two companies have a shared vision of the future. As I was watching YY, presentation and talk about the different scenarios across devices and the experience with personal agents, this is exactly how we think about it at Qualcomm. I feel this could be, like a Qualcomm, event talking about the evolution of Snapdragon, the age of AI. So, and this is incredibly
So far,
exciting
it has
because
hold
it's
up
going
really good
to
right now.
Materialize on the new class of devices. And I like this concept of intelligent wearables. It's going to be like your
Do these people has a problem breathing? Because him and the other guy, they're having...
it's going to be your companion. And it's interesting because with your permission, it's going to have your data, the data that is relevant to you.
Get your asthma
data
pump.
that is
What the
going to
fuck?
stay on device, the data is going to go on the cloud. It's going to react in real time. It's going to be intuitive. It's going to have context. It's going to merge the physical and digital world for you. And it has to be fast, otherwise it's not useful. You need to get an instant response for your agent of your companion. And for us at Qualcomm, we kind of see this is actually the new mobile device category that is going to be alongside your phone. A phone is an incredible thing. It's the #1 consumer electronic device, and it will continue to be there, even though it's changing its nature with processing. But those new classes of personal AI devices are going to be a big opportunity. I actually don't think it's unrealistic to think it's going to go into billions of devices. We see the potential to be to 10 to 100 million in the next couple of years, and it's going to be very big. And what is interesting is the reason we talk about wearables in those personal AI devices is because humans already decided what they're going to wear. And it's going to be glasses and jewelry and pendants and rings and bracelets and pins. And this is the opportunity that the tech industry is going to merge with the fashion industry. And some companies, and I think Lenovo is one of those companies, starting to understand this opportunity. And you actually have the ability to make everything smart. And we're incredibly excited about this. And we're working with Lenovo and Motorola in building a multitude of those devices. And they range from smart glasses. It's very intuitive, especially when you think about see what you see, hear what you hear. It moves with your head, but it's going to be necklace, pendants, as you see. You have some pins, as you saw with Maxwell. And this is incredibly exciting opportunity. And to make all of this reality, you have a lot of technology. So those are very small devices. They have to be power efficient. They have to have a lot of computing.
Take that much data.
They have to have connectivity. They have to have the ability to run models locally. We're talking about the ability on a Snapdragon chip to run multi-billion parameter model devices in some of those tiny wearable devices. It pushes the boundaries of technology, including we have to reinvent connectivity. We had, for example, the ability to do Wi-Fi and the power profile Bluetooth, so you can go away from your phone and get an IP address and continue to be connected to the agent, all the way to cellular connectivity. It's an incredible opportunity. It is a unique technology that we're doing, I think, with Snapdragon. And some of the things that you saw actually behind the screen, like Kira, there's technology from an...
There we go. We dropped.
Always on low power that is listening to the wake word. A lot of those AI on the device together with the cloud with hybrid AI. And I think this future of hybrid and edge AI is very significant.
Here we go. Now it's dropping like a bad habit.
Significant. And I'm going to make a prediction. it's very clear to us that the value of the edge data is very significant because the edge data provide real-time context that are unique to you. And I actually believe whoever mastered the ability to harness the edge data and provide something that is relevant to you will be the winner of the AI race. So this is an exciting time, I think, for technology, and we're very proud.
Oh my God. Oh my fucking God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. At first, he was good because he was not taking data to go through the internet to get to us because he was very cleared. But now, I think the system can handle him. He's a very buff guy. Come on, you dumb fucking system. Come on. System.
Of this partnership with
Why you suck
Lenovo and
ass?
sharing this vision and doing this. And our partnership with
Together, our innovation never stops.
Where the fuck this guy
and
came from?
only
System, you
never
suck.
stops and only accelerates.
Enterprise AI. Gran Turismo 11.
You just feel the speed. You just heard the power. And it's more than just the racing. It's the fastest enterprise in the Formula One fans here tonight.
Yeah, I heard Formula One fan here tonight. Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah.
Yes,
Now you fuck it up. I'm telling you, I think the system cannot hold him because it's trying to figure him out and see what the fuck he's saying. And it's all confused, like so much bandwidth with him. Don't understand, don't get it.
Lenovo is a proud sponsor and a global technology partner of Formula One.
Okay. And there we go. Oh, can we get somebody else? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Me so sorry. Me so sorry. Come on.
The most technologically over traditional air cooling.
What? Air cooling, you said? Okay. So we got a Formula One CPU? GPU? What the fuck do we have here? It's so fast.
Saving cost and helping our
Formula One.
planet. It takes a powerful, sustainable, and robust computing infrastructure
Okay.
to bring you such a thrilling experience. Formula One is just one of the examples. We actually can help many other industries to smartify their operations. At its heart is a new generation of computing infrastructure. This computing infrastructure market has experienced 4 waves. The first wave was about the traditional compute, supporting enterprise digitalization.
Sure.
The second wave was cloud compute, driven by the rapid rise of the cloud services and applications. The third wave was definitely AI compute, led by large language models, which need massive CPU, GPU compute clusters.
Okay.
But the AI compute includes training and inferencing. While AI training remains largely on cloud, AI inferencing needs to bring compute closer to where the data is generated. So the next wave definitely will be the booming of AI inferencing. So putting powerful devices on-prem
He said
at the edge
infancy?
and in your hands will be the trend. When inferencing and the data generation are closely located, so you will get faster responses.
Okay.
If you run a factory, inferencing on edge means you will receive real-time maintenance alerts. So this saves time and money. If you own a chain
I
store,
swear to God, though, he
you will
said
get
infancy.
immediate notifications when inventory gets too low. So you will stock the shelves and sell more. AI inferencing on-prem give you a real competitive advantage.
Okay.
At Lenovo, we are determined to lead in this new inferencing era. So public cloud, private cloud, on-prem data center, and the edge together form hybrid computer infrastructure. This will be the foundation to unleash Lenovo hybrid AI advantage. So how does the Lenovo hybrid AI advantage work for you? Besides running on robust hybrid computer infrastructure and working with the enterprise data and the knowledge, it enables you to match the right AI model to the right task, using lightweight models for easier routine checks, such as detecting a defective product, and using more advanced ones for harder, complex challenges, such as production scheduling or demand forecast.
Okay.
That it orchestrates
Holding,
multiple domain agents
holding.
to access and extract the
See the
relevant
red line?
information,
Things turn red.
enabling them
I feel like that's
to
about to
generate
snap
plans and take actions. By integrating hybrid computer infrastructure, data and knowledge, AI models, and agent platforms, we build our AI factory and then create a library of AI solutions for full value chain, from sales marketing to services, from R&D to supply chain, from finance HR to legal, and for a wide range of industries, combined with the AI services that are ready for action and ready for you. So this is a Lenovo hybrid AI advantage.
Okay.
Ultimately, every enterprise will probably build its own super agent, just similar to Lenovo Kira in personal AI. It will integrate all data generated from all applications, coordinate all domain agents across value chains, and create insights and value for the business. To hear more, I would like to invite our end-to-end strategic partner to join me. Please welcome Chair and CEO of AMD, Dr. Lisa Su. Welcome back to Lenovo Tech World stage.
It is wonderful to be here amongst all this incredible people.
So Lisa, I just talked about the AI
We had
democratization
Jensen
wave is
earlier, now
coming.
we got Lisa.
AI inferencing is happening more and more on-prem and on edge. So today, I'd like to invite you to join me in announcing an important product in enterprise AI.
Absolutely, YY. You know, AI is really transforming every industry, and enterprises everywhere are asking the same question. How do I bring AI closer to my data with the flexibility to grow and evolve over time? That's exactly what we're working on together.
Yes, Lisa. So today, we are introducing Lenovo's latest AI inferencing server featuring AMD EPYC processors.
Overkill for no reason. Think system.
So this new server delivers powerful on-prem
Think
AI
system.
inferencing.
Really?
So our customers can unlock real-time insights, make faster decisions, and keep their most valuable data secure.
YY, I am so excited to showcase the new Think System SR675i. It's really a great example of how we're bringing AI closer to where customers' data lives. And with AMD EPYC at the core, we've created an AI-ready platform that delivers outstanding inference performance today with Lenovo and gives enterprises the flexibility to really evolve over time, including future support for AMD Instinct accelerators as part of Lenovo's broad portfolio.
Thank you, Lisa. Next, I'll give you the stage to share a little bit more with our audience.
Thank you. You know, we are at the very early stages of a new era of computing. One where
Man, we
AI
catch up with her
becomes a
and
capability that lives
NVIDIA
everywhere.
and
In data
AMD
centers,
today,
in
and
factories,
now I get
in
to see them again.
hospitals, in PCs, and at the edge. For enterprises, AI can't just be powerful. It has to be open, efficient, and trusted. You need to run AI in the cloud, on-prem, and at the edge, using your own data on your own terms, with the freedom to choose the right mix, whether it's CPUs or GPUs or other accelerators and software. There is no one answer for AI.
Okay.
As inference demand accelerates, AI isn't just growing, it's accelerating. Customers are asking for systems that can handle much larger models and higher throughput inference, not just a single server at a time. And that's why rack-scale AI infrastructure is becoming so important. To further build on our partnership, I'm really pleased to share that Lenovo will be one of the earliest system providers to adopt AMD's Helios rack-scale AI architecture. Helios is a new blueprint for AI infrastructure, the foundation for the next era of compute. It brings together AMD EPYC CPUs, Instinct GPUs, Pensando networking, and our ROCm open software stack into an open integrated platform for large-scale AI workloads. At the center is our next-generation AMD Instinct accelerator, the MI455X. It is absolutely the most advanced chip we've ever
to
built.
why they're taking
Designed
all
for
the
massive
fucking
throughput,
memories.
an industry-leading amount of high-bandwidth memory, and the efficiency to power the most demanding AI systems in the
I
world.
said memory, and what she said, memory.
With Lenovo adopting Helios, customers will have a clear path from on-prem enterprise workloads on the Think System SR675i to the most demanding training and distributed inference workloads on rack-scale AI systems using the same AMD end-to-end technologies together with Lenovo. We really believe that the future of compute is built on deep collaboration across the entire ecosystem. We're building this end-to-end portfolio, and I am so proud of the partnership between AMD and Lenovo because we really are across all areas, from EPYC CPUs and Instinct GPUs here in the data center to adaptive computing and Ryzen AI on the PC, all on an open software foundation. Customers can deploy AI wherever it creates the most value, and that will change over time. Together with Lenovo, we are delivering performance, openness, and choice, so AI investments can translate into real-world business outcomes.
I would like to live in her house because I would like to see the stuff that she do, what she thinks, how she see the world, what's the next step. I would love to be like a guest in her place for like a week to see exactly her ins and out thinking and thoughts about all this, because she looked like a very interesting person to learn from.
Training and inferencing for our customers.
Thank you, YY. We are super excited.
So next,
And
let's
so is
hear from the
Jensen.
leaders of
I would like to
Lenovo
learn
Infrastructure,
from him too.
Solutions and Services Groups, Ashley Grokvavala and Ken Wang. First, let's welcome Ashley.
Hi, Ashley.
YY?
Yeah, so let's have a picture. Okay, Ashley, we will see you in a bit.
I'll see you in a bit.
Thank you. As
So
you
far,
just
so good.
heard,
enterprise AI starts with data.
Yeah.
Every click, every transaction, every interaction, it's an opportunity waiting to happen. To make the most of that opportunity, you need a hybrid infrastructure that connects data in your cloud, in your data center, or at the edge, running workloads exactly where they matter the most. Because let's be real, AI without infrastructure, it's like an F1 car without an engine. It looks great, but it goes nowhere. And as YY said, infrastructure is the foundation of our Lenovo hybrid AI advantage. Our validated AI factory solutions turn your data into action, fast, secure, from sales to supply chain, and from marketing to manufacturing. So why does that matter? Because today, AI must operate in real time, stopping credit card fraud as it happens, analyzing
nice.
MRIs instantly,
That would be nice.
personalizing customer interactions with AI agents. And when your data lives in the public cloud, you need flexibility, scalability, speed. That's why 8 of the world's top 10 cloud service providers trust Lenovo. We don't just supply cloud technology, we engineer it. You see that in our global factories. Innovation and design, quality and build, and expertise in deployment. But building great infrastructure doesn't stop at the factory. It spans your entire hybrid environment, from storage to IT operations to cooling. Like our innovative, industry-leading Neptune liquid cooling. You cut energy use by 40%, you boost performance, and you hit your sustainability goals. That level of innovation sets the stage for the next era of AI. Up to now, the focus has been on building AI, model development and training. The next wave, using AI at scale, at speed, across every function of your business. And so how do we do that? By bringing AI to your data anywhere. That's where AI inferencing comes in, turning trained models into action. Agents, chatbots, computer vision, all making decisions in milliseconds. But inferencing technology faces some well-known bottlenecks. There's memory, latency, security, energy. At Lenovo, we're solving for all these challenges with purpose-built infrastructure designed to power AI at the speed and scale of modern business. So today, I'm excited to introduce the most inferencing optimized portfolio in the industry.
Sure about that.
First, the SR675i. Internally, we call it the Beast, optimized for high token throughput, low latency AI inferencing at scale. With Neptune liquid cooling, unmatched GPU density, and massive memory, enough to run a full LLM anywhere, it brings AI inferencing where you need it most. Imagine healthcare. Your patient comes in for an MRI. 30 gigabytes of private imaging data streams off that scanner. AI inferencing analyzes the data where it's created, supports diagnosis, organizes the scan, links it to the patient history. The impact? Life-changing efficiency, faster decisions, better outcomes, lower compute costs, all while keeping patient data private. So next, the SR650i. The sweet spot server for most inferencing workloads. It's engineered for peak performance, already holds
All this is
5 AI
a
inferencing
boring
world records.
information.
In
I mean, it's
financial
great
services,
for
fraud detection shifts
enterprises
from reactive
and big
to real-time
companies.
protection. Every card swipe, login, transaction
For consumers
is
like
securely
me,
analyzed
boring.
by advanced models delivering agent-driven responses and remediation in milliseconds. The result? Your customers enjoy seamless, secure banking, and
That's cool.
you get smarter, faster fraud detection.
That sounds cool.
So finally, the SE455i.
Okay.
This is the Anywhere server. It's bringing AI inferencing to the edge, where data is generated, tokens created, decisions happen instantly.
Yep. Okay,
Built
cool.
for demanding environments, it turns raw inputs like basic computer vision into proactive automated workflows.
All
Let's
right.
take retail. An AI agent analyzes
Retail.
live video and the purchasing data, predicts inventory needs, and schedules an associate for restocking. No lag, no cloud delay. Just real-time intelligence powering smarter retail operations.
Let's see
The
about that.
outcome? Your shelves are stocked, your shoppers helped instantly. And as AI evolves, your entire enterprise should evolve too.
Okay.
With Lenovo TrueScale Infrastructure as a Service and our new hybrid AI factory services, you can deploy and manage AI inferencing workloads anywhere. These solutions make your business smarter and your vision unstoppable.
Okay,
So,
if you
speaking
say
of
so.
unstoppable,
Let's see if it's
there's
true.
one team that proves what's possible when a
Can we see a Legion go to SteamOS,
from
please?
amazing, fully immersive experiences like the Wizard of Oz at Sphere to powering everything you're experiencing here today.
Right,
Please
in the
join
Sphere
me in
studio.
welcoming the president and CEO of Sphere, Jennifer Koster.
Okay.
So Jen, it's great to be with you.
So
here
far,
in this
the event is
incredible
holding
venue.
up. There's not
I think
they're
when
not
people
lagging
think of the
anymore.
Sphere, they think of an
For
experience.
now. For
unlike anything
now.
else. A place where technology meets creativity at a scale few could have imagined. So Jen, over to you.
Thank you, Ashley. At
Ashley.
Sphere, our mission is to bring wonder to the world.
Okay.
And there's advanced technology behind every aspect of how we do that. It's designed around the experiences we want audiences to have.
Okay.
Sphere is an experiential medium, one where you're not just watching content, you're immersed in it through sight, sound, scent, feel, and emotion.
Yeah, gotcha.
As you've seen today, these immersive experiences can take you anywhere. And that innovation behind so much of what we do at Sphere begins at Sphere Studios,
Okay.
where our artists and technologists imagine and
That's
create
me.
experiences to transport
Both.
audiences together. And to push boundaries this far, we need bold partners, equally committed to innovation.
Okay.
And Lenovo is one of those partners.
Are you sure about that?
Lenovo understands the scale, the complexity of what we create. And the infrastructure and expertise is powering many of the high-speed workflows that are fueling what you're seeing here today.
Okay. Okay.
So one of the best examples of Big Sky, our proprietary camera system, nothing existed that could capture imagery at the scale and quality needed for this display. It's the highest resolution LED screen in the world.
I want to go see it.
Like much of the technology powering Sphere, we had to design and build it ourselves. And now we have 5 patents issued, 10
Okay.
more pending in the US, and applications filed around the world.
All right. All right.
Each element of Big Sky is a leap in innovation. From the first of its kind 18K sensor to how we process the data. We're delivering 40 times the resolution of 4K with frames that are more than 70 times larger than traditional HD. Big Sky generates 30 gigabytes per second of raw data. As you can imagine, this requires extraordinary compute power. And that's where Lenovo helps make the impossible
Possible. Possible.
Lenovo's workstations and infrastructure
I'm gonna
transform
critique
Big
the shot of
Sky's
this
raw
event
data
tomorrow.
into full-color images, along with handling the complex grading, compositing, and rendering. It's a true fusion of technology and creativity. And without Lenovo,
Okay.
we couldn't move from capture to final render at the quality or the speed that we need. And as you can see, the results speak for themselves.
Oh, they do.
So now we're really excited to show you more
Okay. One less. Okay. That looks cool. I want to go there so bad. I want to see the screen. That looks fucking awesome.
Sphere itself is ambitious. It required an ambitious studio to realize that vision. Every show here demands novel thinking. Our medium is immersive, where the audience is part of the experience. To do that, we designed a screen sharper than the eye can see. And because there isn't a camera in the world that can fully meet the resolution demands of our media plane, we invented one.
We have been given an opportunity to
You got how many
create a tool
GPUs?
that abets a completely new way of thinking. Big Sky
Sounds
isn't
like I heard
just
like
the
a
highest
hun- like
resolution
a-
camera system in the world. Big Sky is an entire ecosystem. A capture
100
platform that
something?
includes lenses, recording media, bespoke accessories, and a whole end-to-end pipeline from pixel in to pixel out. It's a complete rewrite on how we approach images. It's an incredible feat of engineering. I mean, the lens follows you. The resolution and pixel density of our cameras and display planes is guided by what we need to trick the brain into seeing reality, turning our screen into a window and convincing audiences that they are somewhere they're not. We've designed systems to long-line Big Sky 200 feet off a helicopter, hundreds of feet underwater, hard-mounted to a race car, a roller coaster. We want to take you to places you can't otherwise go. We have a workshop with equipment designed to make this camera as usable and as functional as possible. And our foot's still on the gas. We're continuing to innovate and evolve and push boundaries on what is possible in every way.
You're so immersed in the storytelling and what's going on the screen and around you. We use our capture platform to make that happen. Those skies in the Wizard of Oz experience were shot in spectacular fidelity with Big Sky. The
That was
footage
cool.
is 18K by 18K, 60 frames per second uncompressed. The unprecedented volume of data is matched only by the processing power of the Lenovo workstations that we rely on. That's the foundation of our partnership with Lenovo.
Sphere is one of one. It's not just a venue. It's the most powerful canvas in the world for artists,
Imagine watching Marvel in that
brands,
thing.
and audiences.
Wizard of Oz.
Big Sky has transported audiences all over the globe.
Yo,
And
this
now
is cool.
it's taking us even further.
Wow, wow, amazing. Thank you, Jen. Thank you, Sphere. What you just saw is what happens when breakthrough creativity meets real-time data processing. And that same transformation is reshaping every industry, where inferencing turns intelligence into action, powered by the right infrastructure, services, and solutions. To show you how we're making enterprise AI real, please welcome to the stage Ken Wong.
Tech World! It is fantastic to be here with all of you.
Somebody's
By now,
happy.
I hope you agree it is time to lean into AI. Or as Gwen Stefani would say, what you waiting, what you waiting, what you waiting for? Tick tock, tick tock. Sorry, too early. Too early for party. Thank you. Now, today,
He
I
tried.
want to show
He tried.
you how
He
the
tried.
Lenovo Hybrid AI Advantage is helping customers to deliver incredible results. So far, you have heard about the AI factory, the technology engine. But technology alone isn't enough. We know from talking with customers around the world and across industries, including some of you here today, that putting AI to work is challenging. It can feel overwhelming when you need to know, how do I show ROI? Do I have the right people? What about data governance? That is why we have Lenovo AI Services.
Okay.
If you're not sure where to start, we'll show you what is possible and how you develop your plan. If you know the outcomes you want, we'll deploy the solution, the right solution to deliver them. And if you're not ready to manage AI long term, we can do that too, so you can stay focused on your business. And also, with Lenovo TrueScale, you get the flexibility to scale up and down according to your needs. The third part is the Lenovo AI library, unlike anything else in the industry, and it makes AI simple. It contains hundreds of proven solutions ready to be tailored to your business. They are already working for customers across industries like ones that many of you working in today. From retail and sports to transportation and manufacturing, when you start with the library, you get to value faster, often in under 90 days with far less risk. One example is XIQ Workplace, an AI platform that helps IT manage its resources, while keeping employees productive and happier. Now, that might sound like a Las Vegas magic trick, but it's actually AI at work, where every employee get the right device, right software, and the right support. Because if you're a designer, you need a high-performance AI workstation with advanced creative tools. But if you're in sales, you want an AI PC that updates customers' record every meeting. Now, for you IT folks here tonight, the next part is for you. Now, behind the scenes, the solution constantly monitors your environment, resolving issues before they interrupt your work. Now, when you put all these together, you get a better employee experience, lower support costs, and more IT issues resolved proactively. This is like hitting the jackpot here in Las Vegas.
You sure about that?
Now, the AI library also includes solutions purpose-built for specific industries. Manufacturing is a great example. Now, recently, many of us celebrated holidays that include giving gifts. Now, I have 2 college students in my family, and their wish lists were a mile long. Now, before any product can be bought or sold, it goes through a manufacturing process that can include hundreds of interactions around the world. Now, making sure everything runs.
Oh, there we go. Boo, you did so well. Oh,
it's complicated.
Came back.
Where Lenovo iChain comes in, our AI-driven supply chain platform that manages the entire process like a finely tuned orchestra. We know it works because Lenovo uses iChain every day to build and ship more PCs than anyone in the world. For example, our new ThinkBook Auto Twist is 100 components coming from different corners of the world. iChain is the conductor that brings them all together. It used to get every part to the right place at the right time.
Making the shit
so
skip.
No matter what happens, from severe weather to supply shortages, the process keeps moving without missing a beat.
Skip twice
and
there.
Once the PC are
assembled, less than a second.
They're shipped to more than 108 worldwide.
There we go, another one.
So with iChain, we always find the best route to get our products to you. That is Lenovo's global local in action. Now, for all of those wish lists like the one
I feel like I'm
I got for
editing
kids,
this thing.
they all get fulfilled all the time. Another library solution is our AI-enabled robotics. Now, I want to show it to you because first,
AI, you
I
fucking up.
believe it will be the part.
And then the AI said, fuck you. I'm not fucking up. I'm not fucking up. It's not me. Stop blaming me. The AI, you fucking up. Come on. You can do it. Come on, Lenovo. You did it pretty well earlier. Last day are good, what, 10, 15 minutes?
What the fuck was that?
Un video más, mi gente, para mostrarte mi nueva canción del 2024 y dice
The next wave of AI apps. Wow, so hard. Wow, looks like
okay.
2 tickets to FIFA World Cup. So close. I think it's for me. So close. I think it's for me. Well, it's actually a World Cup reminder for all of. So be sure to scan the QR code for your chance to win tickets.
What QR code?
To the 2026 FIFA World Cup. Now we'll announce the winner. So grab your phone, and scan that code before the contest closes.
What's the code?
All right. Thank you, buddy. Great job.
What's up?
Now, of course, Lenovo isn't waiting for the next World Cup to innovate. Lenovo isn't waiting for the next World Cup to innovate with FIFA. Now, let me show you one of our AI
You put the
library.
QR code in the screen?
An
what you
enterprise
did?
solution we developed for FIFA. Now, FIFA is one of the world's most data-rich organizations with hundreds of matches, and also thousands of players around the world,
It's trying to catch
and
up.
millions of data points. Things like game highlights, player stats, social media posts, and much
I'm
more.
so disappointed with
Now,
Lenovo.
altogether, these amount to petabytes of data, and that is enough to fill 500 billion pages of text. So mining that data is a huge challenge. Lenovo worked with.
I want to see how many people. 1,400 right now. There we go. You drop like a bad habit. Come on, you wee pathetic fool. Oh my god.
whatever. Fact. You need to leave.
For real.
Lenovo worked with FIFA to create a customized
Skip.
interact with all 48 teams who will be competing at the 2026 World Cup. It's one step closer to the Lenovo vision of smarter AI fall. Now, get ready for a look more ways Lenovo is working with FIFA to elevate global football. Thank you, and enjoy.
Ole, 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 ole. Ole, ole. Ole, 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 ole. This suck.
Everyone in the audience, let me hear it from the football fans. Again, myself included, Lenovo proudly sponsors the most popular sport on the planet, global football. The FIFA World Cup 2026, enabled by Lenovo AI, will be the biggest event in the history of community. Lenovo is the global technology partner for FIFA, providing complete IT solutions. Our infrastructure technology helps referees go offside calls with confidence and almost no delay. We are creating AI-enabled 3D avatars so that the world's greatest players are represented more realistically than ever before.
You sure about that?
You will also see a full field angle of the game, brought to you by the AI-enabled referee view solution
AI
from
what?
Lenovo. If you are a user of Lenovo and Motorola devices, you will get the first access to this amazing new footage.
I'm about to go
delivered
home.
straight to your phones
I'm already home.
or PCs. Now it's my honor to be joined by my friend, the president of FIFA, Gianni Infantino.
Hello, Vegas. No, hello, Vegas. Do you hear something?
Yeah.
Hello, Las Vegas.
Hello.
Okay, now.
Hi, Gianni. So football, we all know, unites billions of people across every culture, every continent. At Lenovo, our vision is smart technology for all. Gianni, how can we use AI to make football more inclusive, more accessible?
Well, why, my friend, thank you for having me here in Las Vegas once again. Hello, Las Vegas. That's good. And of course, congratulations for everything you are doing. It is absolutely stunning, isn't it?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, shall we clap hands for Wei? But the best comes now.
I'm not happy.
First, let me tell
This
you,
fucking
the
lag
FIFA
is killing
World Cup 2026
me.
is going to be the greatest show ever on planet Earth.
Are you sure about that?
7 million people will attend the 104 matches, which are actually 104 Super Bowls. Dozens of millions of fans will travel to the United States, to Canada, and to Mexico to feel the FIFA World Cup vibe. And listen to that, 6 billion people will watch it from home. The world will stand still.
Amazing.
And now, this. FIFA and Lenovo will fully embrace artificial intelligence, football AI, to support teams and players, while also providing new mind-blowing experience to fans worldwide.
Cannot wait for that.
Absolutely. Today, we launch
Football
AI Pro.
AI
A
Pro.
generative AI knowledge assistant. With
System.
Football AI Pro, we will democratize access to
Democratize.
data by providing the most complete set of football analytics, all 48 competing teams, and soon, of course, to the fans as well. Thanks to Football AI, the next generation of the referee view, you know, the little camera, thanks to which we all see exactly what the referee sees. Well, this camera will show us new AI-enabled stabilized pictures to make the viewing experience absolutely unique. As if you are in the center of the field together with the players. And a third feature of Football AI will be that with AI-enabled 3D players' avatars, we
Avatars.
are introducing precise player identification and tracking, which is a big, big advantage for our semi-automated offsite technology, which means great images, faster decisions by the referees, and a clear understanding by everyone. But of course, dear friends, this is just the beginning. So my message to all the fans
This is so
worldwide
bad.
is stay tuned, because more exciting developments with full AI will come to create unforgettable experiences in the months and years ahead. Lenovo and FIFA, we are teaming up for the benefits of fans and football alike. That is exactly what smarter technology for all means. Together,
I'm so bored.
we are ensuring that innovation benefits every player,
I probably should cut it off
every
here and
team,
call it a day and start off tomorrow.
and
Sounds
every
fresh.
fan everywhere in the world.
Hopefully,
And
this
of
will be a
course,
lot better.
benefits the greatest game of all, football.
So Gianni, that's such an inspiring message. Lenovo AI is powering the FIFA World Cup this year, and I'm confident that it will be a great success. So Gianni,
Let me help him.
I actually have prepared a gift for you. Here is the latest ticket of the World Cup.
Better
Yes, so definitely. It's the last product announcement for today. We are launching this FIFA branded Motorola Razr.
No one cares about
It's the
Motorola
FIFA World
Razr.
Cup 26th edition.
It's for me.
It's for you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It's so special. Look,
No one
it's
cares.
absolutely fantastic.
No
So
one
this
cares.
will be available as soon as next month. This one will be sold through another global networking partner, FIFA, Verizon.
Yo, this sounds
So
like
it shows
I'm
how two of
editing
your
this
biggest
video
global partners
when I'm not.
work together to bring the game to fans everywhere.
Sound like a bad editing.
Gianni, thank you for me
I feel
today.
like this has been
Well,
a
thank you.
waste
Thank
of
you so
fucking
much, my
time.
friend. We say that it happens in Vegas. In Vegas. What happens here today, you have to bring it all over the world. Thank you very much. Thank you for this fantastic
Are you done?
partnership.
Are you done, guys?
Thank you.
Are you done?
Thank you so much.
No Legion Go. Look, that's on their hair. Real gaming thing. One last thing. That's it.
Now, as we approach the end of our show tonight, let's ask Lenovo Kira to summarize what we have shown today. Angelina, could you help?
Angelina, could you help? I'm done.
You got it, YY.
Why? What?
Hey, Kira, go ahead and summarize tonight's content.
Today we saw how Lenovo is bringing hybrid AI to everyone. From the launch of Lenovo Kira and Aura Engine AI PCs to AI Cloud Gigafactory and AI inferencing servers, we are unleashing Lenovo Hybrid AI Advantage to enable real-time solutions for global enterprises like Formula One and the FIFA World Cup, bringing smarter AI for all.
Excellent summary, and thank you, Angelina and Kira.
Okay.
Now, let me invite all of our guest speakers back to stage.
No, one more thing. The worst stream so far. The worst stream have to be Lenovo. Why? You have to be the worst. Let me see how many people still watching this. That's 1,200. What you say?
World Cup tickets and the trips. Congratulations.
Let me help you with the claps again.
Here, if you didn't have tickets,
All those people, and you don't hear that much clap.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
And
Thank you.
around
Thank you.
online for joining this amazing tech world. Together, let's build a smarter AI. Oh.
We hope you're enjoying Lenovo Tech World CES and your Sphere experience. We will now have a brief intermission.
Okay.
Coming up during the break, U.S. Olympic champion and World Cup champion Alex Morgan, followed by a spectacular performance by Gwen Stefani.
That was it. I'm sorry. That was like the worst CS I've seen today. Everything else was pretty fucking awesome. But before we go anywhere. Oh. Please prepare. Wait. Let's take a look at this boy.
At kind of being good at everything. It was the Goldilocks, we'll put it that way. That's lovely. You love to see that. It kind of didn't focus on like being the biggest, most powerful laptop, being the smallest thing. It had kind of a little bit of everything going on. So I'm happy to see that they are doing that all the time. It's fantastic. Well, I hope that gave you the lead up for what we're looking at here. And I think a lot of people know, what's coming here. And that is the Legion Go S Steam Edition. Very straightforward. I mean, it was like leaked. It was like, oh my God, is it coming? And I just watched everyone debate about it coming, but it was coming. So the Legion Go S Steam Edition. Legion Go S 2 Steam Edition. What's the difference? Well, this is a Legion Go 2.
With Steam
but
OS.
it runs Steam. Therefore, it's a better handheld than Legion Go 2, in my opinion. Why? Well, you get the same chip, the Z2E. This has the Z1E. So you're going to go and you're going to get a performance bump. It's not massive. It's not like now you have 70% more performance, but the Z2E is more powerful, 5 to 10%, but more specifically, it's more efficient at lower wattages. So one of the negatives here on this handheld here is it's a fantastic handheld. You put it down to 15-ish watts, which is around Steam Deck level, and it does outperform the Steam Deck, but you do see a fairly considerable drop in performance. It does come down from its peak wattage a fair bit, and then when you start to go below 15 watts, it does start to slow down because the Z1E is just not as efficient as a chip. Just the way that it is. The Z2E over here is more efficient. In my testing, and I believe that a lot of the other handheld people out there have found the same, it's more efficient. So when you take that thing from, 30, 35...
I do agree. I have this boy, and it is so far pretty efficient, pretty much. But this boy right here, when it has to do with power, even though it has the same chip, this boy right here with whatever software that Asus is doing here is way more efficient with battery life than this boy right here. Even though this one has a 80 or 81 watt battery, it's in the 80s. This one's a 74. This is doing way better. Even though it has a little more battery, it's a smaller factor with smaller battery. It's just, a bigger battery. It's a smaller factor with a bigger battery. This one right here. Bigger battery, smaller battery by 6 watts. By 6, watts, whatever. So this one got a 80 or 80, I think it's 80 watt, whatever battery, and this one has a 74. So by 6 anyway. So this is better in battery wise, and taking care of how much, there we go, right here. So you're saying 74 watt hour. and this is at 80 or 81, give or take. So I'm gonna say 80 just to round it out. Just because of that, even though this is really good with the power, with the battery or whatever, you can last a while playing your games, but you can last a lot longer with this one. So this one is a more capable one with battery wise.
Whatever peak, and you start to decrease that down to like 15 watts. You don't see as much of a performance drop as something like this here. And then if you go below that 15 watts, it still starts to maintain its performance better. It doesn't drop off as fast. Why does this matter? Well, this handheld is going to potentially be a really good battery king type handheld, really good battery life, really good efficiency. You get the streamlined aspects of Steam OS. Steam OS for one thing like quick resume. You just hit the power button. You don't have to deal with Windows Sleep, which is just an absolute nightmare. It's just the worst thing ever.
Yeah.
And you're right into, the operating system. If you're
That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna turn my Legion Go 2 into Steam OS, 100% Steam OS. That's what I'm gonna do. I do have the Legion Go 1, and I have an 8 terabyte on that one. I have a whole 8 terabyte on that one. And what I did a dual booting. One 4 terabyte for Windows and 4 terabyte for Steam. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just take that off. I'm gonna put the original SSD on that one, and then I'm gonna take that stick and I'm gonna put it on this one right here, and then just make the entire 8 terabyte into Steam OS.
If you're in the middle of a game, it just comes into the game. That's why I use this, because I'm in the middle of a game like, oh, something's happening. I just sleek my console, put it down, and when I come back, I'm like, let's get back in, press the button, and you're running. The whole user experience of Steam is why Steam Deck is still the most popular, right? It's because it's so easy to use, right? It's user-friendly.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, it's not powerful, but it's user-friendly. That's why I've been pushing the narrative of this. If you know me online and you know that I'm on places like Reddit, YouTube, obviously, Discord, I've been pumping. This thing's been on sale, and I've just been telling everyone, buy it, it's the best. This one is potentially going to just be better in every single way. It'll be more expensive, of course. It's a brand new handheld with brand new tech, but it's going to be more powerful. It's got the Cadillac where, some of the Cadillac features where, of course, you can remove this, like it's like a Joy-Con. That's like a patented term, but it's Joy-Con, like the Nintendo Switch. So you can take that off, right? You can use it in that. You can use it in like the mouse mode type thing. You have access to a significantly better touchpad here than the Legion Go S. That's really good. It's just a nicer handheld. Bigger screen, of course. You do get a slightly larger screen as well. And there's some other good stuff here. So we do get that performance uplift that we're expecting with the Z2E. Great. RAM, 32 gigabytes, fast RAM. Great. Same as that one there. Speakers are better on the Legion Go. Speakers are better on the Legion Go 2 for sure. It does have better speakers. So that's nice. You get. It's not its strength by any means because it's a tablet style, but it is good. Upgradability, it says 2242, but you can put in 2280. Very good. Then you get the banger screen, right? So I prefer. I often lean for, like old IPS screens when it comes to laptops and things like that, but handhelds typically have glossy screens. So I don't really see a benefit of, IPS over OLED. This is a killer screen, but of course I'm going to take the 0.8 inch larger screen. That's also an OLED. Like I'm not deranged, right?
I'll be honest. The OLED is an amazing screen. It is an amazing screen on that Legion Go 2. It is, but that 0.8 is unnecessary. I'll be honest. This thing will be amazing just as an 8-inch, just like they did with the Go S, 8-inch, same thing. This thing right here, the Legion, the Xbox Ally X is a 7. They should have pumped that bitch to 8 inches. All these devices should be at 8 inches. I understand the Legion Go 2 to still be the big boy. You don't need to be the big boy and be at 8 inches. You could be 8.8 inches. You could still be the big boy and have the big, powerful Z2 Extreme chip inside. But anyway, let's just continue.
It's just a better screen. They're going to be both glossy regardless, and handhelds are much easier to manipulate in terms of gloss, so it's not even remotely as big of a deal. 100% DCI-P3. This thing's going to be banger. We already know how the screen is.
Yeah.
And here's another thing that's going to be really important. You're going to be pairing a 74 watt-hour battery. One of the only critiques of this handheld is the battery's not big. It still does well because it's Steam, but it's not a big battery. Here, we're going to be pairing 74 watt-hour battery. That's a big...
You see, it's the Steam Deck. the OLED, the Steam OLED. I'm gonna say that. I have the Steam OLED limited edition, the original limited edition instead of the white one. That one has a 50 watt-hour battery, and that thing lasts a long time. It's not amazing, but it's great. It's one of those things like if you compare to the Windows version of the handhelds, even though some of them, I think this one has like a 48 or 47, the Legion Go 1, it was horrible, and it's still horrible with battery. It's an amazing device, but it's horrible with batteries. But when Steam upgraded from, I think they had like a 40 something or 30 something watt battery to the 50, that made a whole difference. And what helped it was that OLED screen, because that OLED screen was not a also was not a battery hog. It was not hug. It was very efficient with battery too. It's a really good OLED that did not take that much wattage to run versus the LCD that it had before. So it made a huge thing. Plus the OS is very efficient to deal with the battery. So that was a plus.
Big battery. We're going to be pairing it with a CPU that is more efficient, especially at lower watts. You can play more games at lower watts, partially due to being more powerful, also partially just being more capable at lower watts, more efficient. And you're also going to be comparing the fact that you now have SteamOS, which is also way more efficient than Windows. Like it just increases performance and battery life. So this thing's going to be a banger. It will cost money, but the thing about this handheld and why I've never really had issues with the Legion Go 2, despite it's costing more than, like the Legion Go 1 and yada, 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 and some of the competition, is it has the extra features, right? Like it has the detachable Joy-Cons.
Yeah.
That is right there. That's a different thing. Like it's interesting. It's different. It has the large 8.8-inch OLED screen, right? Like you're paying
it's
for
not
these
a
extra
big-
things. It's not like you're like, I'm going to buy the ROG Ally Xbox, and it's literally the same screen as the previous one. They added some little like handle things on it to make it like new, and then they put the chip in that's a little better, but whatever. It's not that big of a difference. It still runs Windows, and also we're just going to increase the price by.
But it's a lot better than last generation. I don't know what it is, but it's a lot better than the last generation. These two machines, like he's saying, ooh, because they put the little handle here, whatever. This machine right here and this one are the same. They are literally the same. The only thing, of course, is a bigger monitor. You got detachable things. That's pretty much it. Getting blurry here. That's pretty much it. Bigger screen, detachable battery. Okay, and it has what, 8 more gigs of memory. For some people, that's like the end of the world. Oh my god, oh my god. This one has 24, but this one has 32. For me, it's not that much big of a deal. You can still give each game, not each game, the VRAM, you can give it up to 8 gigs. I mean, you can go a little higher. You can go to 15 or 16 and go half and half that way. 16 for the system, 16 for the VRAM. You can do that if you want to, fine, but still, it's not a big fucking deal. The only thing that I do give this one that I wish the other one had is, like I said, those buttons are really good. They're not loud, but this fucker right here, the buttons are loud as hell. If everyone is sleeping and you're trying to play games, you cannot play games quietly. The only thing is, this motherfucker fan, even though the original, the fans was loud as hell, this fans are loud too. This one is super quiet, but the fans on this one is not as loud as the original one, but they're still loud. But the Xbox Ally X, on high load, on big load things, on heavy duty games, it stay quiet. No, the only thing loud about that fucker. Yeah, I'm gonna bring this one again so you can kind of mean what I refrain. The only thing loud about this fucker right here is the buttons. Y'all can hear that? The buttons are the only. You see, like my mic is very tuned to get rid of any sound they have nothing to do with my voice. So if it's a voice, it will concentrate. But if it's like even my dog, if my dog is in this room barking, you're barely gonna hear my dog. Even though it could be literally right on my face barking, you're not gonna hear it. It's gonna dismiss my dog barking. So if you don't hear this, Yo, the only way I'm gonna have you is I will have to take my phone and record and press the button. But anyway, those things, those are the only things annoying about that I'm very annoying about this that device. It's just those buttons. But other than that, next to the screen being small, this device for me is perfect. It's way better than the last generation. Way better. Hands down, way fucking better. Even though it has the same battery, it's way still hand down, it's way better.
By a massive, like, honestly, compared to some of them use like almost 100%, right? They didn't do that. Lenovo was like, well, it's the Legion Go 2. It has to be
CES 2011 or Legion Go 2, SteamOS, spec dive in. Where? I didn't see this. They didn't say shit on that stream. What were you talking about? Did they mention on? Oh, maybe it was on the early lag. Anyway, let's finish.
completely ahead of all the competition in terms of all these neat features. Not quite as much performance and battery life and yada yada and all the extra features. You get this one, but then if you're like, I want to get access to all the Cadillac features, and I'm okay spending more for it, this is the one. This is the handheld. This is the handheld. So this thing looks incredible.
Let's see here. Nope. Lenovo. Let's try and see maybe the pre-show. Not the pre-show, but hopefully the pre-recorded thing is already done. Yeah, that's pre-recorded.
And I want to welcome each of you to the Sphere.
Went from 100, but
at its most powerful, where the brightest minds and boldest ideas come together. Extraordinary. Lenovo connects us.
From past trend, several size billion goals of I think the answer it can break this has been.
Thank you. You just the tokens for us and for our.
The fact that Lenovo builds most of the world's supercomputers.
Yes.
Very few people
Probably
know.
1/3.
1/3 of the world's top 500 supercomputers are built by Lenovo. That skill of manufacturing the systems, really complicated systems, and also in keys that Lenovo bringing I factor the inside
also as I said, great ultimate path to AI democratization. The power of AI built evolving frontier models. We also need a lot of breakthroughs in immersive technology.
Truly apps face large solutions. This is the one. It's just 6 worlds. Are you ready to huge that one? Others want products. Discuss. Take me for expertise. From vision,
If you wanted to create host, I can review
AI super model.
You need
nowhere here. I'm watched. Already watched all this stuff.
To get it done.
I didn't see anything.
It would take a little more than a summarization to make any evening unforgettable. But if I give our super agent an instruction, say, execute an immersive cinematic experience, it would need a little help.
Let me see if I can find anything that mentioned the SteamOS here. Because I'm gonna get an SSD. Yeah, he's the only one I've seen talking about that. Because I already knew about this. This is what I've been waiting for Lenovo to specifically announce it themselves. What is this? Pre-order of Deluxe Ultimate Edition to play 42 hours ahead of January release. January 30 release. The fuck is this?
Our true objective is to save this world. Let's go.
Code Vein 2. It looked like shit. I'm sorry, Nancom. The first one looked better. This one looked like shit. But I'm gonna move real quick. I heard this was coming out. The new trailer that came out, like basically this one. I cannot believe that this is true.
Death comes.
Oh my
for
god.
us all.
That's Professor X.
That's all I know for sure.
Professor X.
The question
X-Series.
isn't, are you prepared to die?
It's coming to Marvel finally.
The question is, who will you be when you close your eyes?
I'm about to cry. Charles Xavier. Magneto. Wait. We need to rewind this because that shot was more than amazing. Oh my fucking god. Perfect retrack. Old school armor. I'm about to fucking cry. Oh my god. Let's look for this. Cyclops. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so... X-Men Cyclops, come on. Look at this. Just look at this. Oh my fucking god. The original design here. Here, you see that? Oh my fucking god, they did it. They fucking did it. Marvel is gonna give us a classic look of fucking Cyclops. This is extremely significant to me. This is significant. This is good. Thank you, Marvel. What the fuck? No. And he is back. He is back for this movie. I thought I was not gonna see him again. I'm sorry. I'm just... I gotta wear my glasses. I'm getting teary as fuck right now. Oh, God. I know. I'm gonna be a little bitch, but I'm a fucking dweep on this shit. This is something that I thought I would never fucking see in the screen again. Especially with the fucking armor. This is comic book accurate. This is so comic book on point. Look at those fucking beams. Don't fucking tell me. You see those big ass feet? Don't fucking tell me those are the Sentinels. Don't tell me he is shooting at the Sentinels. Is he blasting at the Sentinels? Are you fucking kidding me? This little clip, it's a minute long clip. 1 minute and 8 seconds. It has so much information. You got Magneto, and you got Professor X. And they give us Cyclops after they kill him in one of the X-Men movie. when the Phoenix kill him. Cannot wait for December now. I cannot wait for December. I cannot wait for December. I'm sorry, guys. This is the best fucking trailer in the world for me. This is the best fucking trailer. Next to the other one. The one that I saw the other day with this one. He's coming back. Captain America is coming back. They're bringing everyone back because of Doctor Doom. This is gonna be bigger than Endgame, I think. If this movie is as good as I hope it is, I'm gonna probably watch it 2, 3, or 4 times in a theater. Baby Captain America. Admitting into daddy. Steve Rogers will return. In Avengers Doomsday, I'm watching this fucking movie. December 18, 2026. This is gonna be a fucking clusterfuck of a movie. Old Captain America meets up with the new Captain America. Then Bucky, get in there too. Okay, guys. We're gonna call it quits for tonight. This has been a fucking amazing, crazy ass fucking day. This is the longest I ever fucking streamed in a long time. The longest I streamed was maybe 8 hours. I think I've done way more than that today. So, but at least we finished with a good ending. I think this is a good ending for stream. All right, guys. For everyone who's joined throughout the day, back and forth with the CES, see you hopefully tomorrow. There is gonna be that Mr. Beast event. I'm gonna try to see if I can join to that, see what happens, and probably see some CES event and watch the first episode on Mr. Beast challenge event thing. All right, thank you for joining. Have a wonderful evening.